Good morning, students. Today's I will discuss the next chemical properties of metal is the reaction with water. The reactivity of metals with water is also linked with their position in the reactivity series. The metal placed higher in the activity series is more reactive than a metal which placed at a lower position. So due to this, the metal oxides and metal hydroxides are formed. When the metals react with water, it will form metal oxide or metal hydroxide and it will produce a hydrogen gas. The metals like sodium and potassium that are placed higher in the series that react with water even in cold water and immediately catch fire. When sodium metal react with the water, it will form sodium hydroxide and it release hydrogen gas that will burn with pop sound. Plus a large amount of heat energy is released. Same in the case of potassium. When the potassium react with water, it will form potassium hydroxide and it will also release hydrogen gas plus heat energy. So here large amount of heat energy is released. So these are the exothermic reactions. Because sodium and potassium are most reactive element, so they react very fast with water, so it can be stored in a kerosene oil. These metals are not kept in bottles because they will react with the moisture present, so they are kept in under kerosene because they are highly reactive metals. Now next is when the calcium react with water, it will form calcium hydroxide plus release hydrogen gas, and magnesium react with water, on heating it will produce the magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Here magnesium placed below the calcium, so it react with water on heating, means heat is required. This reaction is endothermic reaction. But when the metals like aluminium, zinc, iron, these react with water only when the steam is passed over the heated metals. Steam means in the form of vapors, means H2O. So these metals react with water only when the steam is passed, means like aluminium. When steam is passed, it will form aluminium oxide and it will release hydrogen gas. Same in case of iron. Iron on passing with steam, it will form a ferric oxide and hydrogen gas is released. This iron is present in +2 form or +3 form. These are the iron oxides. Point number 4, the metals like lead, copper, silver, gold, they don't react with water because they are least reactive metals. Now the next chemical properties of metal is the reaction with acids. When the metal react with dilute acid, it will form a metal salt plus hydrogen. Example, magnesium react with dilute acid. Dilute acid means less amount of acid and more amount of water. it means it will form a dilute solution. Here we take the HCl, dilute acid, hydrochloric acid. It will form MgCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas. Same in case of aluminium. Aluminium react with HCl, it will form aluminium chloride plus hydrogen. Means these are from metal salts and hydrogen gas is released. Means those metals which are placed above the hydrogen in the activity series that react with the dilute acid like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and to produce the hydrogen gas and also form the metal salts. Same reaction with the zinc. Zinc react with the dilute acid, it will also produce hydrogen gas and form a metal salt. Same in iron. Iron react with dilute acid, it will also release hydrogen gas and produce the metal salt. Now what is the reactivity order in the activity series? Magnesium is more reactive than aluminium,